Part 28, exercise 1.2, question number 9. Simplify 11 by 8 into minus 6 by 33 plus 1 by 3 plus 3 by 5 divided by 9 by 20 minus 4 by 7 into minus 7 by 5. So what is the problem given here? An algebraic expression is given. So we have to simplify that one and find the answer. So first we have to write 11 by 8 as it is into minus 6 by 33 plus 1 by 3 plus 3 by 5. Here the division operator is converted into multiplication operator and the second rational number can be written as the reciprocal. So 9 by 20 can be written as 20 by 9 minus 4 by 7 into minus 7 by 5. Now we can simplify the given algebraic expression, that is we can cancel the number which have the equivalent factor. So 11 and 33 are having the common factor as 11. So we can cut with 11. So 1 11s are 11, 3 11s are 33. Again we can cut 8 and 6. These two numbers are having the common factor as 2. So 4 2s are 8 and 3 2s are 6. Again we can cut 3 and 3. So 1 3s are 3. So next we have to write 1 by 3 as it is plus. Again here 3 and 9 are having the common factor as 3. So 1 3s are 3 and 3 9s are 3 3s are 9. Again we can cut 5 and 20. These two numbers are having the common factor as 5. So 1 5s are 5, 4 5s are 20. So next we can cut the 7 and 7. These two are having the common factor 7. So 1 7s are 7. So now we can write the remaining factor. So here the numerator we are having the 1 with the different sign positive and negative. So we have to write the negative sign. So minus 1 divided by 4 plus 1 by 3 plus 4 by 3 minus 4 by 5. So here 1 by 3 plus 4 by 3, these two rational numbers are having the common denominator 3. So we can add the numerator. So 1 plus 4 is 5. So 5 by 3. Again we are having the two operator nearer together, that is the negative operator. So minus into minus it will become plus. So now the given algebraic expression is converted into minus 1 by 4 plus 5 by 3 plus 4 by 5. If I want to add or separate the rational numbers, it should have the common denominator. But here we are having the different denominator. So if I want to make the common denominator, first I have to find the LCM for the different denominator. So the LCM for 4, 3 and 5 is, so first we have to find the common factor for 4, 3 and 5. There is no common factor for 4, 3 and 5. So I took the first factor as here 4. So 1 4s are 4. Then we have to write the remaining factor as it is 3 and 5. Again we have to find the common factor for 3 and 5. There is no common factor. So we have to write the factor 3. So 1 3s are 3. Next we have to write the another factor 5 as it is. Again we have to find the factor for 5. Factor for 5 is 5 itself. So now we can find the LCM of 4, 3 and 5 is 4 into 3, 12, 12 into 5, 60. So the LCM is 60. So first we have to write the first rational number, that is minus 1 by 4. Here the denominator is 4. We have to convert the denominator 4 into 60. So up and down you have to multiply by 15. So minus 1 into 15 is minus 15 whole divided by 60. Again the next rational number is 5 by 3. So here the denominator is 3. We have to convert the denominator equivalent to 60. So up and down you have to multiply by 20. So 5 into 20 is 100 divided by 60. Then the third rational number is 4 by 5. Here the denominator is 5. We have to convert the denominator 5 equivalent to 60. So up and down we have to multiply by 12. So 4 into 12 is 48 divided by 60. Now we can simplify. Minus 15 plus 100 plus 48 divided by 60. So first we can add 100 and 48. 100 plus 48 is 148. Now we are having the two different operator, that is one is a negative and another one is a positive. So we have to subtract. So 148 minus 15 is 133. So the biggest number is 148. 148 have the positive sign. So the answer is 133 by 60. Next one is 4 by 3 divided by 8 by minus 7 minus 3 by 4 into 4 by 3 plus 4 by 3 into minus 1 by 4. So what is the problem given here? 4 by 3. So here the operator is a division operator. We have to convert the division operator into multiplication operator, and then the second rational number can be written as the reciprocal. So 8 by minus 7 can be written as minus 7 by 8. Then negative operator minus 3 by 4 into 4 by 3 plus 4 by 3 into minus 1 by 4. Now we can simplify the given algebraic expressions. The common factor for 4 and 8 is 4 itself. So 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8. And then here 4 and 4 are cancel each other, 3 and 3 are cancel each other. So next here 4 and 4 are cancel each other. So now we can write the remaining factors. The remaining factors are minus 7 by 6 minus 1 plus minus 1 by 3. Again we are having the different denominator, that is 6 and 3. If I want to add the rational numbers, first we should have the common denominator or same denominator. So we have to find the LCM for 6 and 3. So 6 and 3 have the common factor as 3. So 2 3s are 6 and 1 3s are 3. Now we can find the factor for 2. The factor for 2 is 2 itself. So 1 2s are 2. So now we can multiply 3 and 2. 3 into 2 is 6. So the common LCM for 6 and 3 is 6. So the first rational number having the denominator 6. So we can write minus 7 as it is. And then the second rational numbers having the denominator 1. So up and down you have to multiply by 6. So it can be written as minus 6 by 6. Then the third rational number having the denominator 3. So we have to multiply the numerator and the denominator by 2. So minus 2, 1 into 2 is a minus 2 whole divided by 6. So here all the operators are having the same sign, that is minus 7 minus 6 plus into minus, it will become minus 2. So if it is if the numerators are having the same sign, then we can add the all together. So minus 7 minus 6, that is a minus 13. Minus 13 minus 2 is a minus 15 by 6. So 15 and 6 are having the common factor as 3. So 2 3s are 6 and 5 3s are 15. So the answer is minus 5 by 2.